In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a custom payment button for your course. Alright, so you've got your courses ready to go. You're excited to start selling. But then, you realize Stripe and PayPal aren't available in your country. So now you're wondering, how am I supposed to get paid? Good news, there's a workaround. You can use a custom payment link. Here's how it works. First, set up a payment link or a checkout page using whatever external payment gateway you use, like Razorpay, Flutterwave, or anything that works for you. Once that's done, hop back into onlinecoursehost.com. Then go to your courses, pick the one you want to include the custom payment button in, and click Edit. From there, head over to Price and Coupons and add your course price or let the AI suggest some prices for you. Then scroll down till you see the custom payment button. This is where the magic happens. Type in your button text, something like Pay with Razorpay. Paste your external payment link under the button link field. Choose your currency from the dropdown. Pick your button and text colors to match your brand, that's if you want. Select a payment icon and decide if it shows before or after the text. Once you've got everything set up just the way you like, hit Save Changes. Then go back to the courses page, click on that course again, and view it. Boom. Your shiny new payment button is right there on the course page. Now, when a student clicks that button, they'll be taken straight to your external checkout. After they pay, you can manually enroll them in the course. So yeah, even if Stripe and PayPal aren't options for you, you can still sell your courses using this custom setup. Thanks for watching and have fun creating your courses.